Is it available here?
No. No, the treatment, it's not available in the States. The medication isn't approved by the FDA.
You have time? Please sit down for just a minute.
Sure. Sure.
¿Qué chingados quieres? Okay.
So you don't even need to.
My
use your hands.
okay.
It's just big.
Okay, got it. Okay. Sí.
Good. Let's do it.
Shh. Action.
Es de la chingada, Gabriela. Necesitas conseguir otro distribuidor porque yo no te voy a seguir haciendo esto, ¿eh?
Gracias.
¿Dónde es la marca del actor?
Amanda. Very nice meeting you. Welcome to our team. I'm very good.
Sorry, I just cut me up in yesterday. Took an tumor the size of my knob. I just had to start the cocktail.
This is Valentina, one of our nurses. She'll be taking some scans and drawing some blood, all in preparation for the injection therapy later today.
I'm gonna put this on you. Okay?
This is Cecilia Peterson. Is this John Kramer?
It is.
Good. We received the email with your medical records, Mr. Kramer. Thank you for reaching out. Okay, listen. I'm currently working in Mexico. Oslo has become too difficult for us. But we have a team of specialists here who share our belief in the Peterson method.
Mr. Kramer? Can you please follow my finger? There you go. Okay, we're good.
Is it over?
Yes, we're done. It all went really well, senor. Do you want have some water? Here. We're just going to monitor you for a bit, let you rest for a while. Then we'll take you to a hotel in the city that's right next to the hospital where I work in, and then you can recover in comfort.
So we'll see. It may all be covered in that one. And then the second one, the undercrank one, then it's just like snaps in this craziness.
Stop! Gracias.
Reacciones grandes. La primera reacción cuando sacudes es...
Kramer? Kramer, is that you? I've told you what you want to know! I fucking told you who you're looking for! ¡Ayuda! No. Kramer, ábreme, cabrón.
You can improvise like crazy.
Okay.
Like we really need to feel the pain.
Okay, yes,
Okay,
sir.
so-
Like 1 minute before I drop the bomb? Like, or how much?
What the fuck is going on?
What the fuck?
And you're on the wrong side of the line with that. All right? And by the way, I would avoid touching any of those levers.
John's case was different. Did you heal any of those people?
Did they have spouses? Children now orphaned? Grandchildren?
I meant no harm.
I would really like to believe you.
No, please, no.
You promised dying people. Dying people! That you could save their lives.
God's sake, Valentina, save yourself!
You're doing okay.
Help me, please, help me, please.
Believe it or not, I just did. You're next.
He's a monster. He's gonna kill you the same way he's gonna kill all of us, please.
You don't know John, and if you want any more of my help, keep your mouth shut about that.
Billy!
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What is it?
I don't know what the fuck all of these things are. Medical supplies, I think, and there's a fucking bone cutter.
The cranial, Tom?
I don't care what the fucking thing is called, Cecilia!